Okay, good day. Welcome to IELTS interviews. As a part of interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have a look at your identity card? Thank you. Yes, Hafiza Mahnoor. Please introduce yourself to me.
My name is Hafiza Mahalanisha, and I was a student. Recently, I have graduated from MPhil Chemistry from Kinnard College for Women overall. And nowadays, I'm planning to do IELTS. So I'm focusing on this task right now.
Mahnoor, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, I like flowers in my surroundings. And also, I have a beautiful flowers in my room, like cactus and these kind of plants that reside in indoor plants.
Where would you go to buy flowers if you have to gift someone?
Well, actually, in my location, there is a shop or like gift shop, and if I want to gift someone, then definitely I will go to that shop and bring some beautiful flowers.
On what occasions would you give someone flowers?
It's like if someone has a birthday, or maybe if someone will just succeed in some test, or maybe in some exams. So I think I will be there for cheer up and for.
Okay, Manu, in how many different ways flowers are being used in your country?
We transfer the gift, like bouquet or flowers, uh, in birthday occasions, or in celebrations, or in exciting news. So these kind of occasions we transfer or exchange flowers.
Manu, I'm going to give you a cue card. You will be having 1 minute to think about it, and if you need to prepare some notes, you can. And then for at least 2 minutes, you will be speaking about it. This is the topic, and these are the points that you should cover in speaking. Your 1 minute starts now.
Yes. In my free time, I do illustrations, and recently I have done my course in this specific task. So I think it was my dream in my childhood to do some beautiful arts, or like doing making cartoonist like these things. So in COVID time, I got so much time, and at that time I learned a lot of illustrations. And after that, I have download Illustrator for that specific thing. And in my free time, whenever I have free, I've got free time, then I will do beautiful arts, or beautiful flowers, beautiful sceneries. Um, this
Which area is your favorite when you draw illustration? Which area is your favorite?
like sceneries,
Natural beauty.
yes, beautiful flowers, and also girls' pictures. I also done my portrait as well, and I have done this in my tab. It's